ಕೂಗಿತೋ ಬಾನಿಗೇರಿತೋ ರಂಗು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೈದರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೇನಿದೆ ಹಂಗು
ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ ಮಸ್ತಿ ಕುಸ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ
ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ
ಗುಂಪು ಗುಂಪಲಿ ಗೌರಿ ಗಂಗೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಸಾಲಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಗಂಡು ಹೈಕಳು ಬೇಬೆ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಸಾಲಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಗಂಡು ಹೈಕಳು ಬೆಪ್ಪಾಗವ್ರೆ ಬೆರಗು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ದಾವಣಿಲೆ ಬೀಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಹೈಕಳು
ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಊಟ ಉಣ್ಣಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ಬದೂಟ ತಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗಂಟ ಜಗಳ ಆಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ
ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ ಮಸ್ತಿ ಕುಸ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾ
ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನು ತಾವು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಗಲ್ಲು ಗಲ್ಲೆನು ತಾವು ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ
Thank you so much, kids. So I need one parent of any kid from Bellandur to come forward. Any one parent from Bellandur. Okay, Bellandur, I can't hear you. Bellandur? Okay, someone from that end then. One parent, someone volunteer, quickly. Your good name, sir?
Chandrasekhar.
What's your kid's name?
Gautam Nandan.
I request you to share your experience with Bachpan so far.
We started a bit late into the play school, especially in December. We were a bit worried of which school we go and let him join, and this is where we looked at it, and then we saw that Bachpan would be the best one. So first couple of days it was like parents go sit here and then all that stuff, but after that my son liked the environment, and then he loves to go school. So it was nice experience where even with the play school, my son was very much interested in going school. So I really loved the experience that we had through almost 3 months, and then yeah, this is something which it's very unique, where teachers are so much caring, kids especially, the way they receive, and then basically the way they mold the kids. So I loved what he did in 3 months, where he did a lot of paintings and so on. So it's of a time frame, so I really love to continue further. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was wonderful hearing up for you.
I'm sorry, guys. Actually, we two are buddy friends, and we would like to our kids to be as a buddy kind of, and since from the childhood. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. It was wonderful hearing it from both of you all. There is no star too far and no dream too grand. The cute little fairies from Bellandur, LKG and UKG will leave us a little sparkle here. So shake the fairy dust and make a wish. The magic is in your hands. The participants are Aditi, Adrija, Arushi, Dikshita, Kanishka, Langlin, Manasa, Sachi, Sanvi, Sneha, Shriyanshi, Vrinda, Ashrita, Nupur, and Suhani. One big round of applause. Thank you so much. Can we have the music, please?
Yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, I am a fairy dancing girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And I dance, 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 dance. Fairies spin around, shake it to the ground, shake it up high, high up in the sky. Shake it down low, pointy, pointy toes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Shake it in the front and shaking it behind. Shaking in a star, jump star, jump star. Shake it with a swing, hips to the side, pom poms to the left, pom poms to the right. Round in a circle, high in the sky, they dance. Oh, fairy dancing girl, come and dance with me. La dee da dee da, la dee 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 dee. Oh, fairy dancing girl, come and dance with me. It's fairy dancing time. Cause we love dancing, dancing. Fairy dancing girl. Oh, fairy dancing girl, come and dance with me. La dee da dee da, la dee 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 dee. Oh, fairy dancing girl, come and dance with me. It's fairy dancing time. Cause we love dancing, 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 dancing. With fairy dancing girl. Fairy dancing girl.
That was indeed a super lovely performance. Thank you so much, all you lovely kids. One big round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't you all love it?
Once again, how was the program? Electronic City parents? Okay. Can anybody initiate to come forward and speak about Bachpan? Any new parent can share their experience? Yes, 2, 3, no problem. Yes. Only so much. From that side and from the left and from the right. Or I'll take out the names. I know all the parents' names. Thank you, thank you.
Hi, my name is Divya. My kid is studying in LKG. Her name is Varnika in Electronic City branch. We have an amazing experience with Bachpan. We have it's like a second home for my daughter. We got so many friends over there. It's an amazing experience. Thanks for the teachers and whoever is taking care of the kids. An amazing way they are taking care of my kids. Even we got so much of friends over there. We become family friends. I want to mention one name of my kid is the best friend of her, Simra. It's so amazing we got over there. We become a family friends actually through our kids. Thank you.
Ma'am, I request you to please stay on the stage. Come forward. Come forward. You can stand in the center.
Hi, myself Rajesh. I am Sanvi's father. Initially, Sanvi was in Pune in-laws. We are fearing that which school we have to put. When we search in lot in Electronic City, but Bachpan we think it is best school for her. Initially, she doesn't want to go to school. After 2 to 3 days, she doesn't want to come at home. It's very nice. Teachers are very nice. They are taking care very much. They are like a mother nest. Thank you, Bachpan.
Once again, thank you for the class teacher, Chitra. She's taking care of us so nicely. So, thank you.
Hello friends, myself is Ravi Nani. I am from basically Mumbai. When I came here, we just want to know in which school we have to do the admission for my daughter Jeel. So it's like a very different experience. If you are in a society and if you are in a car parking, you will see, okay, one Mercedes, one say BMW or one Alto. And if you will find there are 15 say Wagoner, so I think you will go to the Wagoner. So in our society, we are having almost 12 or 15 kids who are in the nursery or playgroup. And out of that 15 kids, 12 are in the bachpan. So I don't think we have to tell anything. These are the self-explanatory things. And like my daughter, who always want to go to school, and there is no problem with her, like whether she will cry or not. And the teachers are very, very cooperative, and they take care of each and everything. So we are very happy with the schools. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Ram, father of Kanika. She is in UKG and then she says to me one day that, Daddy, we are going to miss Lalita ma'am, right? So thank you Bachpan, thanks for that.
Hi all, myself Ramaswamy, and it's been almost like 3 years completed with Bachpan. I can say like my first son is in UKG now, and because of the like care and nurturing that they are doing in Bachpan, I also joined my second son who is in nursery now. So thanks all for the support and guidance that they are giving for both of my kids. Thank you.
Thank you so much, parents. It was wonderful hearing it up from all of you all. I now request Mr. Gopi Krishnan to give away the goodies for them. Can I hear it up for all these parents out here, please? Up next, we have our kids from LKG 2 of Electronic City branch who are all set to dance for I Love My India. And the participants are Adya, Aaron, Ananya, Gritik, Himnesh, Haricharan, Kartikeya, Livnesh, Lasya, Nandita, Rinalini, Sanvita, Simra, Sahiti, and Varnika and Zayan. One big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना। ये देश है दुनिया, ये देश है दुनिया, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना। ये देश है दुनिया का कहना।
इस देश की माँ और बेटी कुर्बान होने का रखते दम। कमजोर न समझो, कमजोर न समझो ए माँ, कमजोर न समझो, कमजोर न समझो, कमजोर न समझो ए माँ, जो ना समझे वो है नादान।
Thank you so much, kids. I request their parents to kindly go pick them up from wherever you dropped them. Get drenched in music with rain showers on the stage. Chill out yourselves and enjoy the dance for a peppy song of yesteryears along with the latest blockbuster for which our rock stars of LKG Kormangla are ready to rock the stage. Kormangla, I can't hear you. I still can't hear you, Kormangla. No. Once more, Kormangla. Okay, can I hear Akshay Nagar? Electronic City. Much better. Belandur. Okay, Kormangla again. And the kids are Afia, Anshika, Kanishkarni, Mudit, Sneha, Nitin, Tanav, and Yatika. They will be dancing for Flying Jet and Chum Chum from Kormangla LKG. Music, please.
Raindrop bouncing, my heart is announcing you got to take me away. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way. धड़कनों पे बूंद जो गिरी
तो नाचो आज छम 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 मैं नाचो आज छम 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 मैं नाचो आज
हो आगे J-A-T-T मारो सारे CT खबरों इन्ने सोने पीछे टीना स्वीटी प्रीति J-A-T-T फिर से मारो CT सड़ने वाले सड़ने रह गए हंसी दुनिया जीती हो आगे J-A-T-T मारो सारे CT सड़ने वाले सड़ने रह गए हंसी दुनिया जीती यारा दा यार सादा यारा swag set करदा वेरिया दा खिलारा करदा वेरिया दा खिलारा swag set यारा दा यार सादा यारा वेरिया दा खिलारा they just be like a gangster gangster गड्डी काली नू लेके डोले शीशे थल्ले हौले हौले they just be like a gangster.
Thank you so much, kids. I request the parents to cheer for them once more. The little ones of UKG Electronic City are all set to entertain you with a foot tapping and lively Bollywood number. So kindly sit back and enjoy. They will be dancing for the song Galan Gudiya, and the kids are Aishwarya, Anshi, Ananta Chetana, Akshaj, Advita, Bhargava, Gagandeep, Hasini, Kartikeya, Kanika, Kritik, Maryam, Parthiv, Shrestha, Saksham, and Tanvish. I request the parents to kindly cheer for them and kindly have your kids seated with you. Do not let them move forward. I request the parents of the kids who are ahead here, kindly take them. We don't want the kids to be moving around. One big round of applause and cheer for them throughout the program. Can we have the music, please?
मैं डालूं ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर्स पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई
ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां धक धक के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां
मटक्का तेरा ओए मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख तो अजवी दिल पर गुड़िए तीर जायक जल जावे
हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
धक धक के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां धक धक के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां
छना छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नब छना छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक हाय मैं कबूतर फंसे आके और कोई फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना छनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो छनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो छनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो छनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं कबूतर फंसे आते और कोई फंसे बिना 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 धक धक के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां
Can I hear it up for them once more? Our next performance is for a famous Bollywood blockbuster hit. So let's welcome our rock stars of UKG from Akshay Nagar to move their body in Bollywood style for Bollywood songs High Heel and Ladki Beautiful. The performers are Anish, Ashutosh, Benson, Lakshit, Pratana, Raghavi, Saransh and Sharanya. From UKG's Akshay Nagar. Akshay Nagar. I can't hear you, Akshay Nagar. Not enough. Louder. I want all of you all to kindly cheer for the kids as they perform for us. They've been performing, trying to perform for us. They've been practicing since a lot of weeks now.
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला लड़की नहीं है तू है गरम मामला बोलती बंद मुड़ी कहूँ क्या भला कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए चेन्नई से तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक मटक
रवीना टंडन नक लगाने आई है बंठन गोली चल गई धाए नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती टशन दिखाती फुल और लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल
सैंडल मेरे चमचम कर दे है हर ब्रांड में सैंडल मेरे चमचम कर दे है हर ब्रांड में एयरप्लेन मुंडिया दे मेरे हीरो पे होंदे लैंड में सारी कुड़ियां ऐ देसी चिड़ियां सारी कुड़ियां देसी चिड़ियां क्लब की मैं बुलबुल मैं लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चूल
हाय हील ते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे हाय हील ते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे एक ठुमके पे 100 ताड़ियां हिले जब लग तेरा हिलती है बाड़ियां
एक ठुमके पे 100 ताड़ियां हिले जब लक मेरा हिलती है बालियां
एक ठुमके पे 100 ताड़ियां हिले जब लग तेरा हिलती है बाड़ियां
24 घंटे मुंडे रहंदे मेरे अगे पीछे
हाय हील ते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे हाय हील ते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे
पहली बात तो ये जो तू टिकटॉक चलती है माना ये सारी तेरी हाई हील्स की गलती है रुक तो जा तू है कौन ये तो बता तू है कौन कहाँ से आई है कहाँ को जाएगी पागल लड़की मुझे मरवाएगी
Shut up
बस करके चल बेना था ये सब मैं वो देख चुका तुम जैसी तो पट जाती है फिर दुर्घटना घट जाती है मैं हूँ शिकारी कुड़िए खाली मेरा बार नहीं जाता तुझको ना पहचाने क्यों तेरे घर अखबार नहीं आता
Thank you so much for the performance, kids. You guys were awesome.